Hi everyone! Welcome to Catrina's Cooking. Today, I'm going to make a really simple and delicious recipe. This recipe is called Skewered Pork Barbecue, a Filipino Style Pork Barbecue. So, let's make together. To make perfect pork barbecue, we need this 4 cloves of garlic, mince, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/8 cup ketchup, 3 calamansi, or if you don't have calamansi, you can have slice of lime, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 cup of lemon soda. And our main ingredient is 1/2 kilo of pork. First thing first, in making pork barbecue, we have to marinate. This is now the process of marinating the pork. To marinate, we just to combine all the ingredients. In a bowl, place the pork cut meat, put vinegar, season with salt, ground black pepper, then minced garlic. We will add brown sugar. I have here soy sauce. Just spread it. Then the secret of very delicious pork barbecue is the oyster sauce because it gives more flavorful to the meat. Next is banana sauce. Lastly, we're going to put the calamansi. We need an extract juice. After placing all the ingredients, now we're going to mix. This is the secret to have a very delicious pork barbecue. Look at the texture. The sauce is really blended. You should mix it thoroughly. Lastly, to make the pork barbecue savory and flavorfully, pour the lemon soda. To make it more delicious, we are now going to marinate for 2 to 3 hours to make it more flavorful. While marinating, we are going to make a basting sauce. So what is basting sauce? Basting sauce, it's the sauce used brush on the barbecue while grilling. This is how I make a basting sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of banana sauce, then 2 pieces of calamansi, or you can have slice of lemon. After putting those ingredients, make sure to mix and well blended because this is going to be add more flavorful of our barbecue meat. This is my secret in making a pork barbecue, and I wanted to share you my recipe. This is now my basting sauce that I'm gonna apply to the barbecue meat. In this recipe, we will be using a barbecue stick. I am going to soak that stick. This is the secret so that the stick, when grilling, will not easily burn. After marinating, it's time for me to place the meat on the stick to make it skewered pork barbecue. And now, it's grilling time! Put the basting sauce so that it will be make more flavorful, and then flip. Make sure to always baste the barbecue when flipping it over. Cook this for about 6 minutes each side. Here's our Filipino pork barbecue. This pork barbecue can be served with rice or without rice. Let's taste! The meat is tender and so flavorful. I'm sure you will love this recipe. If you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching. Have a great day!